Hey, what is up guys? It's Rowan with AWM Water Features here, and today I am up in northern Michigan working with another CAC on this huge pond build that we've got here, and we're actually with a couple different teams. So we are with Krys. Krys, you want to give a shout out?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Krys is actually piloting a drone right now, so we're gonna get some cool shots that way of, are you gonna film actually putting the liner in that way? Oh, heck yeah. All right, so we're gonna get some cool shots of that. And I think because of the amount of people that we've got working on this one, we've got a lot of cool camera angles to show you guys. So we're really excited to share that. But basically, the way that this water feature is laid out, we've got the main pond here, and then over along the tree line here, we've got a couple different things. So where you could see kind of the turf dugout right there, that's gonna go back into what will be a wetland filter, so that'll provide a lot of the filtration for this water feature. And then over here behind me, where kind of this dirt pad is, there's gonna be a few different waterfalls running through here with actually an intake bay right at my feet here. So obviously with it just being at this stage, it's a little bit hard to tell where each of the components is gonna be, but I'll be sure to make some update vlogs as we're going through to really show you the process here. But it is gonna be a sweet build.
Looking good.
Hey, where's your client at? Get him out here. I gotta show him this one.